Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this pretty earring. So our materials, I have 3 seed beads. I have size 15, 15O, 11O, and 8O seed beads. I also have round pearl, 3mm, and 3mm of bicone. I have 2 earring hooks, and also 10mm of teardrops, and my beading needle number 11. And for this project, I'm gonna use this. So let's begin. So I pick up my gold size 11, 8, 11, 8, 11, 8, 11, 8, 11, 8, 11, 8. And then I'm going to pass through all the beads. So I have 6, 11, and 6, 8 alternate. Then my thread is coming out. Maybe I have to. My thread is coming out from 11. So I pick up 11, pearl, and 11. Pass through 11. 11, pearl, and 11. Pass through. 11, pearl, 11, pass through 11. So I'll do it 3 more. Pick up 4, my 11, pass through pearl, then I'll continue my last 4. Pick up 11, pass through, then pass through to 11, and pick up 1, pick Pick up another one. So I'm going to continue adding 111 here, here, and here. Pick up my last 11. So I pick up my size 15, size 8, then bicone, size 8 and 15. Then pass through, pick up another 15, 8, bicone, 8 and 15. Then pass through, 15, 8, bicone, 8 and 15. Pass through, and then I'm going to continue adding 15, 8, bicone, 8 and 15 on this side. A set of 15, 8, bicone, 15 and 8, and pass through. Pick up 3, 11, pass through 15, exit to 15, pick up 3, 11, pass through, exit to 15, pick up another 3, and I'm going to continue adding 3, 11 here, here, and here. It's my last 3, 11, pass through 15, then so my thread is coming out, so I'll pick up 1, 11, 8 and 11, then pass through the teardrop, and then pick up 3, 11, then skip the 3, 11, pass through the teardrop again, then pass through 11 and 8, pick up another 11, pass through, so I'm going to just pass through one more time just to reinforce. Then I pick up 8 pearl, 8 pearl, 8 pearl, 8 pearl, 8, then pass through, then pick up 5 size 11, pass through 8, this is very easy to make. Guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. I'm just making use of my some of my leftover thread by passing through to reinforce. Very easy to make. It makes somewhere couple of knots before I cut my thread. It's pretty. Easy to make, quick and easy to make, but it's pretty. Hope you like it, guys. Thank you for watching. Oops. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody. And happy beading. It's pretty, pretty, pretty.